Hello everyone, it's Davi here again, and welcome back to my tutorial on creating outfits for your cutout characters. We're gonna start by creating this really simple rig. This video is not about rigging, so you can just use whatever technique you like the most. I'm just gonna make whatever is easier and faster, just so we have something to work with. And I'm gonna fast forward so this video is not too long. Okay, so we have our assets in here. I drew this really fast and I'm using my mouse, so it's not my best drawing. But the next step is to just set the pivot points to the right places. Let's do this very fast in here. And then setting the hierarchy on the node view. And that's the fastest way to just create and rig a leg. This rig is ready, and if we extend the drawings here in the timeline and we set a pose in here, and let's do the opposite on the last frame here, like it's kicking something. You see that this rig works, and it's probably the most simple technique, but the problem is you're pretty much locked on these designs unless you come here and you change, manually. You draw a different foot or a different leg in here, and then if you, let's say you want a green foot, and then you want to come back to a blue foot, then you have to come back here and draw and paint it blue again. And of course this is pretty simple, but let's just say you want to do something much more complicated, like putting spikes on this shoe or any complicated design. This would be a lot of work, but the way I do this is by using symbols instead of just drawing on the timeline in here. So let's see how that works. First, I'm going to take the hierarchy off. I'm going to delete these keyframes. And instead of rigging right now, I'm going to put each one of these assets inside a symbol. And I know that not everyone likes to use symbols, but I think it's really, really useful. In fact, I keep my symbols library on most of the time that I'm working, right here on the left side of my screen. So I'm just going to select the assets that I want, and I'm going to press F8. And I'm going to see this window here that says create symbol from drawing selection. Let's give it a name that makes sense. Foot. And sure, let's do it with the next one. F8. And this is the lower leg. And finally, right here, F8, and the upper leg. And sure, let's delete everything. And now you can see that on my library here, I have all these assets inside these symbols. And if I drag them into my stage, they're back here, but now they have a different icon in here. Because they're inside a symbol. I can't edit in here. I can get the, let's say the eraser. It's not gonna work, but it works if I go inside the symbol. So on the next step, I'm gonna show you how I add this to a rig and then change outfits on the fly, just really, really fast, just by manipulating these symbols inside of each one of them. So I'll see you there. Bye.